So I'm here with my good buddy James. Say hello, James.
Hello.
Today we are going to be doing a little test. My good friend James is a, how do I say?
Conservative spender.
Conservative spender. I was going to say a cheap ass, but that would be rude. I'd never call a friend that. So with that being said, let me switch modes here real quick. Today we're going to be looking at my Milwaukee 3/4 inch drive that I recently did a video on, taking off these lug nuts on my motorhome. James came out here with this RIDGID brushless that he paid $190 for with the battery. It is 1/2 inch drive.
High torque.
It is high torque. We'll see if that's fake news or not, false advertisement. So we got a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch adapter on it because that's what my 33mm sockets are. So we're going to start out showing that these lug nuts are actually torqued. We have this torque wrench. From QUINN. It's set at 475. The factory torque on these are 450. I always like to go just a little extra. And by the time you hear the beep bearing down on this long ass breaker bar, this a 1 inch with a 3/4 inch adapter, you're really getting over 500 pounds, I think. So we're going to verify, and then we're going to let this little shootout continue. Okay, so we're going to verify that all three of these are at least 475 foot-pounds. Go ahead, James. Don't be weak. Don't be weak. All right. We hit about 5 and some change. Let's go to the next one real quick. Go, James. Go, James. Hoorah. Hoorah. That's about 545.
Did I hit it?
No. You need a better angle.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Yep. There you go. We actually hit about 560 there. Okay, so we're going to start off with the Milwaukee. Ready?
Ready.
And go. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and tighten those up. You can. Okay, so I tightened those back down with the Milwaukee. Now we're going to verify torque again. Well, we know they're over 560 pounds. We'll go to the next one.
Come on.
Again, they're tight. That was over 550. And again. Okay. Now, swap that over with the adapter to your mighty RIDGID. And if this takes them off, I'm going to be very happy. And actually surprised, because I don't own any RIDGID tools. And my original purchase was not going to be the Milwaukee. It was actually going to be the Hercules 3/4 inch, which is normally cheaper and normally just as good from the reviews I've seen. Okay, go ahead, James. Well, Now we know. A little bit slower, but not dramatic, right, James?
Not dramatic.
James has an extra $200 in his pocket, an extra $260.
Yes.
Because I paid right at about $460. The Milwaukee was $329, and I paid $129 for the battery. So whatever that plus tax works out to on math. So James has been my best buddy for 25 years, right? James has been a conservative spender.
No, that's not what he usually calls me.
for at least the 25 years I've known him. Well, in this case, James is one up on me. He's got an extra $200 in his pocket. So we tried to make this as scientific as two idiots can on a...
Yep.
Well, James, I'm almost speechless.
Yep.
I'm going to put this together, and anybody that's got a motorhome, let's give a zoom in on this. I'll have James send me the link. I'll leave the link in the description. My understanding from talking with James is this RIDGID also has a lifetime warranty.
On the battery and the...
On the battery.
And the gun.
And the gun. How much are those batteries if you had to buy a second one separately?
I just bought 2 batteries that cost me $100, and these were the 6 amp hour. This is a 4 amp hour max output. 2 6 amp hour battery cost me $119.
Well, I'm impressed. Thanks for coming out this morning, James.
Thank you.
And at that, go buy you a RIDGID. Save you some money. Also, just to make sure that this will tighten it so that it's safely torqued 475 or above, I'm going to have James run these back down. Go ahead, James. Okay. Okay, I'm going to stop for a second and we'll grab the torque wrench. Okay, James put those back on with his RIDGID. Torque wrench is still set at 475. Sorry that it's upside down. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, that's over 500. So that's good to go. We're going to check the other two just for safety, but... I'm sure the results will be the same. Yeah, that's fine. That's 505, James. And the lug nut did not move, so.
Come on. Hey, ready?
Yep. Yeah, that's 560. And again, the lug nut did not move. So these are tight. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to these shenanigans if you haven't.
Absolutely.
Take care.